Dear friends, Irene Humin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Kamaya, Salesian of Don Bosco. Welcome to That's Greek to Me. And our word for today is something that's relevant in the season that we're about to encounter. And that is metanoia, change of mind or change of heart, metanoia. So it's a Greek word that means also repentance. It comes from meta, meaning after or beyond. You know the word metaphysics, no? That's beyond physics. And the meta is after or beyond. And then also, nous. So meta, nous means mind or thought. And so what does metanoia mean? It means a transformation of one's thinking, attitude, or way of life. Yung pagbabago. Na hindi lang panlabas yung binabago natin, but one's thinking and attitude. And in Christian theology, metanoia is not just about feeling sorry for sin. Okay, sige, nagsisisi ka. Pero hindi sapat yun. It involves a deep spiritual conversion. Actually, you're going to one direction and then you turn away to the other direction. So it's a turning away from sin. And away from sin, and you orient yourself towards God. You know, metanoia is also used in English. In philosophy and theology, it means a profound change in thinking. And then metanoik, it means relating to or involving a transformation in one's thought or character. You know, dear friends, metanoia challenges us to examine our lives and embrace personal growth. When we receive our ashes, this Ash Wednesday, the verb there is metanoite, and that means to turn away from your sin. So we embrace growth in that case. For instance, someone who recognizes their tendency toward impatience may undergo metanoia by striving to cultivate patience and kindness in daily interactions. Ginagawa mo isang bagay na ito. Pag nagbago ka, hindi mo na babalikan yon. You're in the other direction. In Christian life, true repentance means not only confessing sins, but also making a real effort to live according to God's will. Are we ready for metanoia? Handa ka na ba sa pagbabago? That's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto niyong maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.